flea market on this Sunday. Woo woo! Ed got the shirts on. You gotta buy a shirt from us. Just hit us up in the comments. But anyways, just went to the military surplus store and got the handcuffs, guys. Got the handcuffs.
So back in the car with our handcuffs.
Hey, she cuffed me like a real cop. You see the veins popping out my wrist?
Begin. Oh, mine's.
Look at your small. See, she cheating already. God dang. They clothes woman. That's how you wear a handcuff. Your wrist smaller than mine? How your joint fit better?
It's broke.
Hey, these things is double lock. What that means is there's two different ways to unlock it. It's broke.
Yeah.
Dang, can't trust the flea market. Look at that. Got broke handcuffs already. Personally, I think Aishah broke them while I wasn't looking. Look at her. Plot.
I'm not breaking.
How my side ain't broke, but hers broke.
Yours did break. You see how it look? This is your side. Oh, it did that. Shit. Let me see. Come on.
Dang, boy.
You gonna watch.
Try number 2.
It's not catching right. But pull your arm out. Out. Pull your arm like.
For real. We're having technical difficulties. Report to you in a second. Conclusion is, one side won't catch. We're gonna have to go back into this flea market and see if we'll get an exchange. We'll be right back. No exchange needed. Aishah fixed it. Now we shackle for life. Look at this beautiful wedding ring. Oh man, this is wonderful, guys.
No, this is a beautiful ring.
I couldn't be any closer to this woman. Oh,
right,
I love every second of it. Okay, my bad. Help!
Brian is trying to be unsafe today. Put your seatbelt on. Put your seatbelt on.
I already know. When I really move my head and your wrist get hurt, don't say nothing.
Come on, put your seatbelt on.
Childish.
So I gotta like ride with my hand all the way up there.
Yeah, you. Matter of fact, shift the gears for me. I feel like being lazy.
Oh my gosh. So I'm shifting gears, guys. Are you ready?
I mean, it's only automatic. I wish it was a stick shift car. It really been.
There's a car behind us. There's a line of cars.
Yep.
So, handcuffed to this man of mine. No child today. Are we gonna go eat like this?
We're gonna do everything like this.
I gotta use the bathroom.
We need to go somewhere. I guess you better pee on yourself. We're gonna have to go to Carolina Mall. That's up the street.
I think we should go to like every mall.
I was thinking about going to Concord.
Well, we could go to Concord.
And promote the shirt while we at it. The lady already asked us. She said, "What's that?" I'm like, "Baby, this is high price fashion. That's what that is." Chasing Geo.
Yes, but this is uncomfortable.
Dang. I ain't never seen this much people pulling out at flea market, dog.
Yeah, because they are trying to escape the rain. So we're gonna talk to you guys when we get to our destination. There's a car.
Oh shit, bro! I just want to back. Aishah.
Yes.
Get on direct track.
Okay, come on. Are you coming?
Yeah, get your ass out the car, please.
Oh, you cursing?
Sorry.
You're so lame. So we just made it to the mall. We're trying to find a parking spot, and Brian is gonna climb off the car.
We're gonna eat at McAllister's.
We're gonna eat at McAllister's.
No, we're not. The person who drives doesn't have to crawl out the car.
Well, we already have the handcuffs on, so we can't switch.
Switch what?
Like, I can't switch and drive.
Oh,
so
yeah, we can.
No, we can't.
can definitely switch.
No.
That's why it came with a key. We can take it off.
We're not switching.
Exactly. So you crawling out this car?
No, you're crawling out the car. They're gonna park right there.
Okay, I'm going back into it.
Look at this. Asshole.
Oh.
I have to cut that part out the video.
Yes, we will.
Is it going to be enough room for me to climb out? Okay.
They got it. We came to the right mall. They definitely got space beside you.
Okay, you gonna hold the camera? Alright. I have to tear the car off soon. Okay. Wait, you're pulling me.
Yeah, hurry up. It's about to rain, man.
Wait.
Yo.
I'm stuck.
You don't know how to get out of the car?
Yes, I know how to get out, but I gotta get all my stuff.
Man, pretend the car fell into a lake and is drowning. Hurry up.
Stop rushing me.
Here we go. Okay. Yes, we did it, guys. Oh, we gotta get the umbrella. Here, you take the camera now.
I'll get it. I'm right here.
Okay. You know, she's my right-hand man literally today. Going into Carolina Place Mall. Yeah.
Maybe I shouldn't have no bag or anything. This is so hard.
No, it is not. You love me.
I know I do love you.
You should have got painted red for the color of love.
You're like...
What, your arm is short?
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta stretch my arm, man. I gotta stretch my arm.
Why you gotta play so much? Okay, you can hold my hand though.
Okay. No, they not gonna see.
Yes, they will.
They have to see the handcuffs, man.
They can see
This
them.
is part of the chop. Now we're in my house just making decisions. Still handcuffed to this lady.
Stop.
Oh, my bad. Sorry.
People are staring at us.
And you staring back out? You should have said something. Make it awkward.
No, they made it awkward.
I don't know what I'm gonna order yet, but I'm gonna get something good.
Hi. I can't see them. We're handcuffed and Brian left straw.
We got planned for the rest of the day.
So we're gonna eat.
We're eating.
And then we're gonna walk around the mall, I guess.
That's it.
I don't know.
I think we should ride go-karts.
How are we gonna ride go-karts? Like, can two people get in a go-kart? In one go-kart?
Oh yeah. I forgot about that. They're like little kids. You know how the little kids be not taller enough? So they sit in the two-seater?
So we're gonna have to get in a two-seater.
They got
I don't know.
They got that at Concord.
They have 2 seats at Concord?
Yeah.
So, we got our food. And we also switched. I moved to the other side of the table.
I got the hiccups, man.
And it's pretty okay. You know, Brian is trying to be funny.
Alright, put it back in right here.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Thank you. So, just had lunch, brunch. Now we're on our way home so I can go pump.
Watch where you go.
I am. I saw it. You're like pulling me though.
You don't know where you going.
I do know where I'm going.
Where you going?
To the car. That is this way. I mean, they can't see me pointing, but they don't have a choice. We're crossing at a crosswalk. So, everybody's staring at us. It's funny though.
Aishah better walk. Get over here.
Why am I'm not going to get ran over.
Because if your ass get drugged by the car, I'm getting drugged too.
Watch your mouth. You have to bleep it out like bleep.
You right, my bad. I got excited.
And now I gotta climb over the seat, and you have like this whole big middle console.
You know,
That's very uncomfortable to
this
climb
would have
over.
been a lot easier if we had a convertible. Next time we gonna rent a convertible.
Right, so we could just climb over the top.
Yep.
Oh my goodness. So.
Next time we do a challenge, yep, we gotta rent like a Porsche.
All right, so we're at the car.
I'm about to say, why you coming over here? Get your ass in the car. Here, hold this.
Okay, well, we have to put this in the car first.
Bruh, next time we gotta put my keys on my left side, man.
I can get them if you hold the camera.
Nah, there's too much discombobulating.
It's really not.
Yes, it is.
It's not. This footage is probably all crazy.
What you doing?
I gotta put the umbrella in the car.
Keep that up front.
No, I already threw it back there. Okay. I'm getting
the camera.
Give me the cup.
What is AE lock?
I don't know.
You done put something on the camera. Oh, you said give you the keys?
Yeah, you can.
All right, we gonna drive like this. I'll just hold on.
Are you ready to move?
Yes, baby. We driving. Oh, you going across?
Yeah.
Can't see nothing.
I don't know what happened.
Terrible ass footage.
I already explained to them that it might be crazy.
Back in the car on our way to the house because somebody got a hump.
I gotta handle mommy duties, even though we don't have a little monster with us. Guess who gotta climb out the car again? I do!
Go, baby. Gas time.
You're moving too fast, and I keep getting stuck on the stupid thing.
You're getting too good at this.
Alright.
We're gonna have to do another challenge. You're gonna have to crawl out through the window.
No, I'm not crawling out through the window.
They don't know about you. Oh my god. Man, you gotta let you don't want this money. You still recording?
Yeah, I'm recording you. Pumping gas. Well, let me stand on the other side.
That won't even make sense.
It does make sense.
Well, wait till I finish this.
Can you stop?
Man, it's hot.
It is hot, and I'm mad that I gotta come outside and stand while he pumps gas. Brian, how you feel about this?
Right now it's very entertaining, but we ain't made it entertaining enough.
My arm is
Check out
like...
the YouTube channel, Chasing Geo.
You're like pulling my wrist.
My bad. See, nobody was
I got
even paying.
marks already.
Maybe the gas station wasn't the best place, but we're gonna have to go inside and get something. Maybe something to drink. Not sure.
I have to use the bathroom.
No, you do not. No, you don't. You gonna have to hold it until we get to the apartment.
Oh my gosh. I really do have to use the bathroom.
Stop pulling me away.
I'm not pulling you.
Apartment. Come on, man. You gotta chill, man.
You gotta chill.
Walk straight. At all.
So what are you coming in here to get?
I don't know yet. Oh, I thought I seen something over here. There's no more space?
No, we can't record anymore.
Well, delete